Thank you very much for the invitation to your interview. My name is Carsten Hecker. I'm the market manager for IGUS in Asia. That means I develop not only the IGUS entities, but I'm also developing markets and customers, and talking in particular about ProPak Asia and also, of course, related food and beverage products of IGUS. I want to just pick out 3 of the possibly more than 100 products we have introduced this year into the market again. Those products are mainly related to the food and beverage industry. I'm starting off with a new Iglidor bearing, plain bearing. In particular, you see here the blue color that's made out of material A230 for applications in sheet metal applications in the food and beverage industry. Click into sheet metal. The other product, what for sure is of importance, is a new material called A250, mainly used for knife edge rollers in the conveyor industry. And maybe the last one, and that could be the very important one, is actually a tribo-optimized powder. So it's a new coating material from IGUS, which can be used to generate very wear-resistant surfaces on metal parts. All the IGUS product basically follows the same approach. That means either cost down or tech up, one of those opportunities we have to offer to our customer, and that's actually our job. All the products from IGUS related to FDI or for food and beverage are obviously FDI compliant, and there's also no need for lubrication. Normally, IGUS introduces these products at the Hanover show in Hanover in Germany every year, but obviously due to the pandemic this year, that was not possible. So we did a different approach. We built a complete exhibition in the IGUS factory in Cologne. So we have now a physical 400 square meter booth, but this booth is not, let's say, physically visited by customers, but digitally. So we have introduced this booth onto our website. You can have a complete virtual tour. You will see all the individual products online. You can navigate very easily with your mouse, and also supported by individual videos shown during this digital or virtual booth. And on request, we can also make sure that the individual IGUS people, for example, are physically in the booth in a team meeting or a Zoom meeting with you, and they would introduce you in more depth than the specific requirements the customer would like to see. So talking about digitally, I think, yes, that's a very important part. We are all learning of it more than ever before, learning faster. And I think that would also be part of the new normal, looking at more digital exhibition, looking at digital ways to introduce products. And here in this aspect, as I said, IGUS has a very good solution with a self-guided tour, or with a tour if the customer would like to have it by an IGUS colleague.